Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dr. Dini Dewi Heniarti from Faculty of Law Bandung University. I'd like to present my paper with title The Role of Intelligence Agencies to Counter Terrorism. And our team, Dr. Untung Wahyu, Mrs. Anita Pusupawati, and Dr. Husni Osnawali. And I'd like to share screen my slide. Yes, the title, The Role of Intelligence Agencies to Counter Terrorism. And I just told you about the general defining of terrorism. Terrorism is operations are usually carried out by specially trained and organized clandestine elements. Terrorism group operate in secret to read and analyze these moments requires intelligence and counterintelligence ability. And many countries include their intelligence to play an active role in countering terrorism. An intelligent perspective in countering terrorism is needed on a strategic spectrum. The ability of intelligence to seek information, process information, and present information for decision making. It is very important in supporting counterterrorism measures. So intelligence information is needed considering that acts of terrorism are compelled and carried out in private using the clandestine method, or we call covert activities. Act of terrorism now cross national border using weapons, chemicals, nuclear and nuclear explosive. Act of terrorism from within and without. Action of terrorism have an impact on the order of social life and threaten the sovereignty of the state. Countries agree that terrorism, because of its effects, has damaged and caused losses economically, psychologically, and even global security. Action carried out by terrorists have made the state respond and the strategic prepare and terrorism. So intelligence are one of the strategic approaches to counter-terrorism. Intelligence play an important role in countering terrorism as a form of early warning efforts. However, it is still found that there are overlapping powers between intelligence agencies in countering terrorism, and many countries include their intelligence agencies in dealing with criminal terrorism. So how about the problem of intelligence? The problem with the intelligence community in 2022 is an imbalance in the demands for the quality of the overall intelligence product from the intelligence community. Collection with their respective mastery of analytical techniques. In this case, it is important to pay attention to the content of the national intelligence strategy as directions for developing an integrated program. And this article discusses issues regarding what is the strategy to optimize the role and the function of intelligence agencies in tackle criminal acts of terrorism in Indonesia. So about the discuss, terrorist attacks have been and will become irregular and will trace the vulnerability of nation and will act to spread terror. In countering terrorism, the need for intelligence is urgently needed considering that the threat of terrorism is already on a large scale, which has an impact on global security. For example, America has made a change in response to terrorism after the 11th September, and Asian member countries have attempted to tackle terrorism through a various combination of approaches like military action, socio-economic, ideological, and educational policies, as well as enactment and enforcement of counterterrorism law. They are also trying to increase counterterrorism cooperation, and development of the current strategic environment has been marked by changing issues in the security sector, which at first included geopolitical and geostrategic aspects, such as the development of military power and strategic weapons, and hegemony has shifted toward issues such as terrorism and other forms. Terrorism is the pinnacle of acts of violence. It is possible for violence to occur without a terror, but there is no terror without violence. The nature of action, actors, strategic, objective, motivation, expected and achieved result, target and methods of terrorism are now increasingly broad and varied. So that it's increasingly clear that terror is not an ordinary form of destructive violent crime, but already is crime against the peace and security of the people, human or crime against peace and security of mankind. Intelligence is general mean intelligence which contains the capacity for knowledge, understanding, good understanding, understanding of secret relationship, and classified information. And can also mean processing information cognitively so that it can be conveyed by the recipient and the first line of defense against terrorism. And we know the artificial intelligence or AI counterterrorism revolution. The development of new technology can pose a challenge in implementing this policy, forcing the authorities to re-examine how to counter terrorism act or carry out. AI is one of these technologies, and use of AI in counterterrorism centers to generate accurate prediction that can help direct resources to fight terrorism more effectively. And AI prediction can also minimize unnecessary distraction, making it easier to collect, store, and analyze large-scale data about a people, individual activities, and associations. And the risk of using AI vulnerable to hostility inherently limited by data against those with excess public scrutiny, already limited by security consideration, incorporation of automated analysis systems that are inherently incomprehensible to humans, lack of adequate safeguards about AI use, and boost data, totalitarian control over its citizens against violation of excessive rights such as regarding privacy and freedom of expression or associations in a democratic country. The complexity of the development of political dynamic requires intelligence apparatus to have knowledge and sensitivity to change so that they can carry out their function continuously in assessing leaders in policymaking. User or decision makers need good quality intelligent analysis so that they can make the right decision. So between intelligence agencies or institutions and the clients or user, there must be convergence of strategic interests. On the one hand, the intelligence surveys now that interest of its client, and the other hand, the client must also know what is needed by the intelligence services in order to produce quality intelligent product. The use of intelligence strategies is very important in counterterrorism. In order to ward off terrorist tactics and strategies, every intelligence agency is always required to be able to detect all threats, forces, events, and development that have the potential to endanger the existence of the nation and state, and support the policy process. Policymakers constantly need accurate reports on the background, context, warning information, risk assessment, benefits, and forecast result, and maintain the confidentiality on information, need and methods when the government of a country keeps important confidential information, the means of obtaining or protection that information also need to be confidential. So the apparent weakness in countering terrorism is the overlap between intelligence tasks and function, but between the state intelligence agency, the strategic intelligence agency, and the security intelligence agency. As a consequence, it doesn't inform the public about the intelligence is, but instead reinforces the impression that intelligence is a practice and study, is an invisible word, secret and exclusive. so that the state security management system still overlaps between defense, security, and state intelligence institutions in handling the same cases processes that run simultaneously, and there is reciprocal relationship. The conclusion, the lack of coordination between intelligence agencies was caused by the slow progress in the institutional arrangement, and coordination between state intelligence is mandatory in the context of countering terrorism, which is a threat that can endanger the safety of the nation, security, sovereignty, and the territorial integrity of the Republic Indonesia. Currently, in tackling terrorism, the government is mobilizing strength by relying on the Badan Nasional Penanggulangan Terorisme and related security agencies. Intelligence as the front line in countering terrorism as an early warning system for user, and intelligence in countering terrorism is not a force of action but a different. The way to prevent terrorism that has not yet happened is to build a strong relationship between human intelligence, signal intelligence, data analysis, and cooperation with law enforcement agencies, as well as the exchange of information between intelligence services of other countries, which is important prerequisite. And the optimization of coordination mechanism between intelligence agencies can be pursued through regional intelligence community. And the coordination activities carried out by the regional intelligence community are very important factor in gathering information. So thank you very much for all of you. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.